guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very basic and simple rose and water droplet nail design. So you want to start with fresh, clean nails that are dried and shaped to how you would like them to be. The first polish that I'm using is by Salon Perfect, and this is Oil Slick, and I'm doing 2 coats of this on all of my nails. The next polish that I'm using is by Salon Perfect as well, and this one is called Whiteout. And as you can see, this has a striping brush, which is perfect for making these little lines. Next, I'm using a matte top coat by Pure Ice, and I'm only putting this on my ring finger for when I create the raindrop effect. Next, using my Sally Hansen polish in 165 Pink Punk, I'm going to be making pink blobs on my nails, and this is going to be the base for the roses. Now this is actually a gel brush, but it was the only one I had on hand. You could use a dotting tool or a toothpick or some other kind of striping brush, but this is what I had, so that's what I had to work with. And I am using my Sally Hansen polish in 250 Pink Promise. I'm putting a little bit of the polish on the tip of that brush, and while the pink blob is still wet, I'm just adding 3 little swirls to give it a very basic looking rose look. Now I'm using this gem wheel that you can get from Amazon and a wax pencil, and I'm just putting the smallest gems in the middle of the rose flowers. I feel like when I added those, it took away from the rose look, but I wanted a little bit of sparkle to the nails. Now I'm using this green shade by Pure Ice, and for some reason it does not have a name tag on it, so I can't tell you what it is. But I'm putting a little bit of this on a toothpick, and I'm just making little triangular looking shapes in various spots around the roses to give it the appearance of leaves. Now for the raindrop nail, this is the only way that I can figure out how to do this, but I am using a UV gel top coat, and I'm just blobbing little dots of it onto my nail, and then I'm immediately putting it under the UV light so that it can cure, and those little dots will stay little dots on my nails. Now to finish off the look, I'm using my Supreme Gel by Profix, and I am putting a nice glossy coat of this over all of my nails except for the raindrop one, because this would defeat the purpose of it. And now you are all done. That completes today's tutorial. This is just a very, very basic depiction of roses, but I think it's still very classy, and it's still very cute and simple and easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you did enjoy today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite part was. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of my small little family and never miss a video with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!